You have been busy in the Weather Center. What are we looking at now and just through the night?
So much of what we're looking at for the weekend is to lower people's expectations for rain, especially in the metro and our eastern counties. I just don't think we're going to get a lot. At the same time, we can't forget about the severe weather threat, especially in the hill country. Let's show you what's happening outside now statewide. Looks like there's a lot of rain out there, but a lot of those very light greens are returns that are not actually reaching the ground here this evening. There are some decent thunderstorms just to the west of Dallas, but nothing imminent, at least for the next couple of hours, although we should see some development to our west and southwest around midnight or so, and that will eventually give way to our first opportunity for rain and storms in the hill country. This upper level low spinning near Las Vegas, helping to generate lift, pull in moisture, and give us this southwesterly flow right into Texas. That's what gave us so many clouds late in the day. I want to show you how we determine sometimes what is the best computer model to use at any given time. And sometimes the easiest thing to look at is which one's doing a good job with right now. This one here has storms already in the hill country within the next hour. I think that's not going to quite be the case. So I'm going to jump over to the one that I think is doing better with the current situation, and that's this one, the HRRR model, as we abbreviate it to the HRRR. You can see it doesn't bring in the storms into the hill country until several hours after midnight. So that delayed arrival is what we're leaning on now. So rain and storm chances in the hill country several hours after midnight and into early tomorrow morning. There's 7:30. And meteorologist Kristen Curry, by the way, is going to be on KXAN News today, tomorrow morning, tracking the storms as they move through. So don't forget to join her then if you're in the hill country especially. More showers and storms at times tomorrow, mostly in the hill country. About a third of the area getting rain overnight, the hill country. A third of the area getting rain during the daylight hours of tomorrow, mostly the hill country. And then finally, as we head into late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, our best chance of rain to eventually get into the metro. But at first, it starts in the hill country. After 2, 3 in the morning, moving through the hill country, 5 in the morning on Sunday, and these storms will likely weaken on approach to the metro, say near daybreak, 7, 7:30. Still the potential for some thunderstorms in the metro and even a low severe weather risk, but these things are going to be weakening so much as they move east and southeast, producing less and less rainfall and weakening from a severe weather perspective too. There could even be a few showers that linger into the afternoon on Sunday, especially near and east of 35. So rain chances tomorrow at 30%, especially for the hill country. There could be some severe storms early in the morning in the hill country though. Those chances of showers and storms in general rise to 60%. Saturday evening, Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then back down to 40% for the daylight hours of Sunday. Severe weather risk Saturday night into early Sunday, a 2 out of 5 for the hill country. That drops to a 1 out of 5 for the metro and parts of our eastern counties. Large hail damaging wind, our primary concern. There is a low tornado risk should storms be able to bubble up earlier Saturday evening. Look at how much rain parts of the hill country could get 1 to 3 inches. Not most of the hill country, though. Most get a 1/4 to an inch, and from the metro east, a 1/4 inch or less, unless we can get some localized higher amounts. And I know that's disappointing, but we've got more opportunities for rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, possibly into next weekend as well. So don't hold your breath for a lot of rain where you are this weekend, but just remember there's more chances ahead for much of next work week.